Build a retaining wall to height of 490 mm, which leaves enough space for the tile adhesive and the tile to bring it to a height of 500 mm. By law you are required to leave a 350 by 350 mm space close to the waste end for an inspection hatch when building the brickwork. Measure 500 mm above the floor and mark. Securely fasten the support cleats on the back and side wall, making sure they are level. Do not use water when making the mortar mixture. Pour the mortar mix, 3 parts river sand to 1 part cement, in a dome shape in the center, 450 mm away from the wall on the waste side to a height of 20 to 25 centimeters. This ensures that when you lower the bath into position, the mortar spreads and the bath is embedded properly. Connect the waste pipe and overflow or nicky spout where applicable. Position the bath on top of the mortar mix and press the bath down to make sure it's bedded down and level with the retaining wall. Do not add water to the bath after installing it. Allow the bath to set for 24 hours. Seal the bath with silicone sealant to prevent water from entering through any gaps. Leave for 24 hours to set. Double check for any leaks and gaps.